In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Google Chrome settings effortlessly. This process is quite straightforward, but understanding the path to access the settings can make managing your Chrome experience much smoother. So, let's dive right in and explore how you can quickly navigate to these settings. First, begin by launching your Google Chrome browser. If you're on a desktop or laptop, simply find the Chrome icon on your desktop, taskbar, or within your Applications folder. Once located, click to open Google Chrome. You'll immediately find yourself on either your default homepage or the last web page you visited. Now take a closer look at the top right corner of the Chrome window. You'll notice three vertical dots, often referred to as the More icon. Go ahead and click on these three dots. This action will open a drop-down menu with various options. It's kind of like opening the door to a myriad of customization settings for your browser. Within this menu, look for the word Settings and give it a click. Once you've done this, a new tab will open up, and this is where all the magic happens. From this point on, you're in what's known as the Settings Hub of your Chrome browser. Here, you can adjust various parameters to tailor your browsing experience to your unique preferences. In this Settings tab, you will notice different categories on the left-hand side, such as Privacy and Security, Appearance, and Search Engine, among others. Each of these sections is designed to help you modify specific characteristics of your browser. For example, under Privacy and Security, you can manage things like cookies and site permissions, ensuring your browsing experience is as safe and private as possible. While browsing through settings, feel free to explore each section to see what options are available. Remember, every tweak you make can enhance your browsing experience, from improving security measures to adjusting visual elements for better accessibility. It's worthwhile to note that if you're using a mobile device, the process is quite similar, although the layout might be a bit different. On mobile, you still tap the three-dot icon, but the settings might look more like a list, and scrolling may be necessary to find specific options. Adjusting your settings occasionally ensures that you are making the most of the latest features and security enhancements provided by Google Chrome. So, take some time to revisit these settings once in a while. In conclusion, accessing Google Chrome settings is a breeze once you know where to look. By familiarizing yourself with these options, you gain more control over your browsing environment, potentially leading to a more efficient and customized online experience. So, don't hesitate to delve into these settings and feel empowered with the choices they present. Happy browsing!